to our YouTube channel for more recipes. Please subscribe. Hey Dan.
What's up, Steve? What's going on?
Welcome to Manhattan.
Oh man, I haven't been here in a long time.
You made some amazing food for us. You made the meatballs with a delicious sauce, and then we had the olive oil cake. Another winner.
Yeah.
And, man, we did the
chicken pesto.
The chicken pesto. Yeah. Good stuff. Good memories.
There's more stuff coming too.
You know, so now we're here in Ivas today. So the plate I made for us is the mighty Jeff Ross.
Love the mighty Jeff Ross. I haven't eaten this in a while, but I'm ready. I'm ready to go in.
You know what I like about this plate? It has brown rice. It has the grilled chicken, Eva's famous grilled chicken, marinated with lemon and oregano. Beautiful. Then you see, putting the chili on the top is like you give all the flavors, the vegetarian chili, and all those flavors that go right on the top of the rice and the chicken.
Yeah.
And then you top it off with mozzarella cheese and guacamole.
I mean, it's like things you wouldn't have thought you could put together, and it comes together in a really good way.
All right, man. Let's try it. You know,
All right. Well, I have a good strategy when I come here. Putting the guacamole on top and blending it together like this little mini sandwich.
I love it.
It's like the best tasting flavors ever.
I'm eating it and I'm getting hungry just looking at it.
What gives us the name? The mighty Jeff Ross.
I mean, it's Jeff Ross, the comedian. You know, I met him in Ivas. I didn't know him before. He's one of the nicest guys you will ever meet.
Okay.
You know, and we're talking one day and I said, you know, Jeff, I'm going to make a plate for you. And it took me a little time to think about it, to put this plate together. But let me tell you, this has been a very popular plate at Ivas. It's one of the top sellers. But the thing is about Jeff, you see what I say to him? I call him Dr. Jeff. Because you see, he makes people laugh. To me, laughter is the best medicine.
Absolutely.
You know, and him to be a nice guy and to be a great comedian.
Man, he's a doctor. You know what I love about Eva's all these years is you get so many repeat customers because they love the health food aspect to this. While it tastes like a real meal you're used to having oils and fats, none of that's in there.
And another thing, what I tell people about Ivas is a place you can eat without worrying about anything, because two things we don't use in Ivas: preservatives and bad fat.
That's why I come here. Yeah.
You know, so when you eat food without preservatives and without bad fat, you know, your body works regular. You don't have no stomach ache, no problems. You know, you feel good.
You feel great. Looking good, feeling good, eating good.
So Dan, thank you for coming down.
My pleasure. Absolutely.
It's always good to share a good meal with you.
Oh yeah. I like to eat food. If you haven't noticed all this time, I'm a big fan of the food.